So welcome to today's video. I'm giving you guys a tour and a review of the Rove Hotel in downtown Dubai. This hotel is ideal if you want to stay around the area of the Burj Khalifa. In fact, you can just see the Burj Khalifa just outside the hotel. So let's have a look inside the hotel. We're going to go to the lobby and reception area. This is a 3-star hotel with check-in at 4 p.m. and check-out at 2 p.m. They have this really nice seating area. A lot of people were working, having meetings in this area. So if you want to kind of have like a co-working space in your hotel, I think this is ideal. Let's check out my room. So I was in room 1120 on the 11th floor. Okay, so the room is quite simple, it's quite clean. I like those floor-to-ceiling windows, and you know, I have a view of the Burj Khalifa from the room, so I have absolutely nothing to complain about. I think this is a fantastic view. There's a stool there for the desk, and we have a mini fridge there too. There's a drawer with a hairdryer in it. Yeah, and they've provided a bottle of water, some teas, coffee. There's a kettle there. It's a nice simple design. It kind of reminds me of an Ibis hotel. They have like some kind of adapter plug sockets in the wall, so you can use your EU plug, you can use your English plug. And here is the wardrobe. No door on the wardrobe, but that's not really necessary. And in the bathroom we have no amenities, but they said if you need anything, just give them a call and they can send some stuff up. I guess that's good for reducing waste. And here's the shower place. There's a toilet there with a water jet. And this is the shampoo and shower gel and the conditioner. So this is a 3-star hotel, and I think it's quite reasonable, especially considering its fantastic location right next to the tourist hotspot. It's about a 10-minute walk to Dubai Mall and very, very close to the Burj Khalifa as well. So let's have a look at breakfast. So there is a TGI Fridays in the hotel, and they provide the breakfast. So I'm just going to show you what you can expect in terms of breakfast here. The cost of the breakfast during my stay here was 59 dirhams. Breakfast is served from 7:30 to 11 a.m. Now for the evening meal, they don't have a buffet option, but it's TGI Fridays, so just if you want to have something from their menu, then you can order that directly. Now let's have a look at the hotel pool. So the pool is open from 8 o'clock in the morning to 8 p.m. The water is kind of like a salt water, it's not chlorine, and there's plenty of sun lounges around the pool and also a dispenser for cold water and sparkling water. From the pool area you can get a really nice view of the Burj Khalifa. Now the gym is open 24 hours, you need your room key to access it. And they have a good selection there of free weights. They have a few weighted machines and also a cable machine too. And they have a few cardio machines there too. Now let's look at some of the other facilities that the hotel has. So in that lobby reception area there is a small shop here where you can buy pretty much all the basic stuff like drinks, snacks, food. So this is very convenient having this just downstairs next to the hotel lobby. They also serve Costa coffee. So in this lobby area there is a PlayStation 5 there, and there's also 2 computers which you can use. There's also an area where you can store your bags in lockers. And on the next floor above, here you can find a small masjid or prayer room. So I'm just going to show you that now. On this same floor there is also a laundry. You do have to pay to use the washing machine, but the iron is free to use. On this same floor a lot of meetings are held. You can find a foosball table, a table tennis table, and then there's a variety of meeting rooms as well. The hotel also offers like a room where you can host podcasts as well, so you can inquire with the reception if that's something you'd like to do. And the hotel offers a shuttle bus service. During my stay here was the time where there was a lot of rain, so there was a limited service for the shuttle bus. It was only going to Dubai Mall. So here is the journey to Dubai Mall. It only took about 10 minutes, but this shuttle bus, when it's operating normally, goes to a lot of tourist hotspots. I showed you the timetable just in that previous clip, but you can go to Dubai Frame and various other places. So if you want to kind of follow that schedule, you'll be able to travel to various tourist hotspots free of charge with this shuttle bus service. Okay, so we're all done for today's video. I think this is a great hotel if you want to stay near the Burj Khalifa. It's a 3-star hotel, it's reasonably priced. If you have any questions about this hotel, leave a comment in the comment section below. If you can, try and like the video, and if you can, subscribe to the channel because it really helps my channel to grow. And thank you for watching.